Hi guys, this is Inktober. This is the month of Inktober, and this is an initiative that started with Parker, who initially he wanted to draw for 1 month every day with ink, and started this hashtag, and now artists from all over the world, they follow it, they do it every year, and it's a nice way to connect with other artists and to keep your discipline of drawing every day. So I'm going to be posting these pictures on Instagram, and I hope to see yours as well. You can tag them with the hashtag Inktober or Inktober 2018, and basically you just do an ink drawing. You can choose the topic, but also there is like an official list that every year Inktober publishes. Like there's an account called Inktober, and this guy Parker also publishes this list. I think he's the one who creates the list. Anyways, there's lots of people doing lists. You can choose also from other people's lists, and or do your own list. But this is an idea of having topics and compare what other people are doing. So try to draw every day, hashtag, and publish it. I'm going to be publishing my paintings on Instagram and doing videos, publishing them here. So as you can see in the list, official list, the first topic was poisonous. I did this and I entitled it The Cure, just because I thought it's so pretty to be poisonous. But that's what I did for the first day. You can change anything you want, you can be creative, you can entitle your drawings anything you want. This is the one I did for the second day, and this one is called Tranquil. This I did it when I was in a lake. Actually this little house was inside a lake, and there were these people that were very peaceful. I loved sitting there and making this ink drawing. So let me see what you have done. Post your link to your pictures below, and if you go to Instagram, also send me the link of your drawing. So I hope to see you around, and let me know if you have any questions on the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.